Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an Amazon gift card to a friend. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and gift someone an Amazon gift card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Amazon. Now, on the drop-down menu where it says gift cards, scroll down and click on shop all gift cards. And there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing this. You can scroll down to where it says Amazon e-gift card. And then on this gift card here is where you can enter a bunch of details such as an e-gift card, physical gift card, the gift amount. You can enter a custom amount as well. And as far as the delivery method goes, it can be done via email, shareable link, or text message. You can decide when it's going to be delivered, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send an Amazon gift card to a friend. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.